Turns out you actually cook the chicken for ages, so I hope that's going to be really soft.
That's nice.
Marinated it. Yeah, marinated for like 6 hours.
That's what it is.
The real taste
Oh,
is
that's soft.
how Pat says it. Is it good?
It's like, it almost caramelizes the chicken when it's cooked. Because it goes really bubbly and like thick, the
That's
sauce.
really good.
Rate out of 10.
Well, maybe I was really hungry. No, that's really good.
And that garlic rice.
Tapos na?
Well done.
Tapos na ang massage mo? Ha? Massage mo pa si Papa? Massage mo pa?
Hey everyone, welcome back to MATV. I hope you're doing very well. Today